Hi everyone, myself Divya Tamlakar. Today we are start class 7 science, chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. That we all know that all living organisms need to perform certain basic life process like nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction for their survival. To perform all life process, every organism need energy. The food we get give us energy, and we already know about the various components of food like protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are called nutrients. Nutrients, the substance in food that our body needs to function properly to grow, repair and supply you energy. And there are 6 basic nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamin and water. The nutrients help living organism to build their body, grow, repair damaged part of their body and provide energy to carry out life processes. So nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. Also same, plant also need nutrition or nutrients to survive. So in this chapter we will study nutrition in plant. There are basically two type of mode of nutrition. First is autotroph, second is heterotroph. So autotrophic mode of nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which an organism make its own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water, minerals which is present in the surroundings is called ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. वो न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें प्लांट या कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना खाना खुद बनाता है, उसके इन्वायरमेंट में उसके आसपास जितने भी सिंपल सब्सटेंस होते हैं जैसे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, मिनरल्स, ये उसके आसपास ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इसकी हेल्प के थ्रू इसको यूज़ करके वो खुद ही खाना बनाता है. सो दैट ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉप्स and the process is called autotrophic nutrition. An organism having autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Like all green plants and some bacteria are autotrophs because वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. सभी ग्रीन प्लांट्स जो होते हैं वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. So they are known as autotrophs. So the material or the things which is required by plant for the process of photosynthesis is different types of material. First of all, I have to tell you that what is photosynthesis. Recently we learned that those plants who are make their own food by themselves, they are autotrophs, and the process by which green plant make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using solar energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? That is the process where the plant used to make their own food. Plants leaf contain chlorophyll which is in the green in color, already present in the surface of the leaf, makes photosynthesis possible. And after the photosynthesis process, they produce glucose as food and oxygen as a gas. They release oxygen as a gas which is required for us. So basically, the food prepared by the green leaves of a plant is in form of a simple sugar that called glucose. And there are many type of materials which is required by plants for photosynthesis, that are water and minerals, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Water and minerals are absorbed by the root of the plant from the soil through the process of osmosis. वाटर एंड मिनरल्स लीव्स के पार्ट में जाइलम वेसल्स जो होते हैं उनके थ्रू वो प्लांट तक पहुंचते हैं. एंड जाइलम वेसल्स रन लाइक pipes throughout the root, stem, branches, leaves and form a continuous path of water and minerals to reach the leaves. Same as like that carbon dioxide, green plant take carbon dioxide gas from the air from carrying out the photosynthesis with the help of tiny pores that are known as stomata, which is present on the underside of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cell. The guard cell control opening and closing of stomata, and the carbon dioxide gas enter the leaves of the plant through stomata. Leaves के surface में under the leaf surface stomata होते हैं. ये एक small छिद्र होते हैं, pores होते हैं. ये stomata गार्ड सेल से कवर्ड होते हैं या सराउंड होते हैं. गार्ड सेल का कंट्रोल होता है स्टोमेटा के ओपन एंड क्लोज करने का. स्टोमेटा दिन के टाइम में इन डे टाइम इट विल बी ओपन बिकॉज उनको सनलाइट और गैस एक्सचेंज जो होते हैं, गैस जो एक्सचेंज करते हैं वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं, ये प्रोसेस करना होता है. इस वजह पे ये डे के टाइम पे ओपन होते हैं और नाइट में ये क्लोज हो जाते हैं. And the third important material is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in the cell organelles, which is called chloroplast. Chlorophyll trap the solar energy. This energy is used to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water during the process of photosynthesis. So this is the process where the plants make their own food. That's why they are called autotrophs. And here there are second type of nutrition is heterotrophs. First is autotrophs. Auto means self, troph means feed, means सेल्फ से खुद को फीड करना. That is known as autotrophs. Like example of autotrophs is bacteria and tree. And the second type of nutrition is heterotrophs. In heterotrophs, the mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from the simple substance but obtained ready-made food by the green plants directly or indirectly is called heterotrophic nutrition. Organisms having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. Animals and non-green plants have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. That's why they are called heterotrophs. वो ऑर्गेनिज्म और वो प्लांट्स जो कि ऑटोट्रॉप की तरह फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस का यूज़ नहीं करते और वो अपना खाना सिंपल सब्सटेंस के हेल्प से खुद नहीं बनाते, लेकिन वो डिपेंड होते हैं दूसरे ग्रीन प्लांट से डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली रेडीमेड फूड वो लेते हैं अपने ग्रोथ के लिए. सो वो प्लांट्स कहलाते हैं, वो मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन कहलाता है हेटरोट्रॉफिक ऑटोट्रॉपिक मोड, और वो प्लांट्स या एनिमल्स कहलाते हैं हेट्रोट्रॉप्स, जो कि डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली अपना खाना दूसरे प्लांट से लेते हैं. So there are 4 type of heterotrophic plants: parasite plant, saprophytic plants, insectivorous plant, and symbiotic plant. So in saprotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which the non-green plants obtain their nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter of plant and animal, that is called saprotrophic. वो मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें कि ग्रीन प्लांट्स अपना न्यूट्रिशंस डेड मतलब मरे हुए और खराब ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, जैसे कि प्लांट और एनिमल्स होते हैं, मरे हुए प्लांट्स और सड़े हुए प्लांट्स के और एनिमल्स की बॉडी से वो अपना जो न्यूट्रिशन करते हैं उसको सेप्रोट्रॉपिक मोड कहते हैं. जैसे कि इंडियन पाइप एंड कोरल फूट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेप्रोट्रॉप्स. But the basic example of saprotrophic plants is fungi. The root of saprophytes contain organism that is known as fungi. So let's see what is fungi. So fungi is a plant that is not green and does not have leaves and flower, or that is like a wet powder and growth on the old wood for food, wall, etc. So that is the fungi. फंगी बेसिकली वो प्लांट्स होते हैं जो कि ग्रीन कलर के नहीं होते और नहीं उनमें कोई लीव्स होते हैं, न ही फ्लावर्स होते हैं, और ये पुरानी लकड़ी या खाने या वॉल पे डेवलप होते हैं. सो दैट आर द बेसिक saprotrops, saprophyte या saprotropic organism, that is the fungi.